Hello, in this video I'm going to show the productivity tricks on OnePlus Nord CE 5. Okay, so let's begin. Let's open up the settings first, and once we are here, let's scroll down until we find accessibility and convenience. Let's click right in here, and in here we have the windows and gestures. That's the things that boost up our productivity in the best way. So let's begin with the split view. Thanks to that, we can use the two apps at the same time, and it really helps with the multitasking. In here we have two ways how we can launch the smart sidebar. To enter the split view, I'm sorry, we can do it from the sidebar, or we can use it from the recent tasks. So let me show you both methods. Let's open up the one app, let it be the recorder. Now let's open up the recent apps, just like that. This the smart bar, I'm sorry. And now let's hold on the calculator, let's put it on the downside, now release, and now as you take a look, both apps launched in the split screen mode. And thanks to that we can use both apps at the same time. So currently I'm recording the screen and I'm also counting on the calculator, so it works really nice when it comes to the multitasking. Also we can adjust the size of those windows by simply grabbing this bar. So now the calculator is much bigger than the recorder, and now in the second way. And now if you click right in here, we can swap the sides, or we can even save this as a group. And thanks to that, it will be saved on the home screen as a shortcut. For example, I'll click on that and those apps automatically open in the split view. So it works really nice. For now I'll remove it. And now I'll show you how to open it up from the recent apps. And this time maybe I'll launch the notes and something else, maybe the Chrome. And now let's open up the recent apps. Let's click right in here and click on split view. Now select your second app. I pick the notes, and now as you can see we can use both apps at the same time. So it works really nice, and it's best for multitasking. Now let's go into the settings back again, click on the accessibility, and now let's go with the smart sidebar. I have shown you that like 2 seconds ago. It's right in here, make sure it's enabled. And in here we can enable even the smart functions, so it will recommend actions you might want to perform based on the app or service you're using. We can enable the file doc. It can also show the recent files and show app names. And basically when it comes to the split view, it's like a shortcut for everything. So for example, in here we can quickly take a screenshot, we can record the screen, we can translate even the text that we want right in here. We can also get quick access into my files. As you can see, if you click on the app from the smart sidebar, it opens in the floating window. More about a floating window in a second. For now I'll close it. And also in here you can click on all to see all the tools and all the apps, and also you can click on edit and manually add things into this sidebar. So for example, now I'll add the Chrome, I'll click on done, and now when I open it up, I click on Chrome and it launches in the floating window really quick. Okay, so that this smart sidebar is also really fun to use. Let's go now into the floating window, just like I have said before. We can change the window control from the gestures into the buttons. It's up to you. In here you can always click on the tutorial, how to use it. You can read what features and actions we can perform with it. So we can move it, we can resize it, we can control it. I'll show you that in a second. We have also other things that we can enable. We can swap the apps, we can adjust, enable adjustable transparency, and other things. Okay, now I'm wondering about one thing, but no matter. Okay, let's click on the floating window. Okay, and let's pick one of the apps. Let it be this Chrome maybe. Okay, and now, as you take a look, I just resized the floating window, and I can still do other things on my device while the Chrome is enabled. It's like I'm using the PC. So let's say I have two cards enabled. On one I'm doing my stuff. I can still, use the settings, scroll, do anything that I want, and I have quick access into the Chrome. I simply click on that. I can even use that. As you can see, I'm still scrolling, even if it's that small window. For example, I'll click on that. It normally launches. Okay, and when it comes to the using of the floating window, when I'll grab right in here, I simply resize the window. When I'll grab on those three dots, I can move the floating window anywhere that I want. When I'll grab on the edge, I can adjust its size. If I'll scroll much to the downside, it will open in the full screen. I can even launch the floating window from the recent apps. As I click right in here, I can even minimize it. And now it's simply, it's sticked to the edge, so I can do my stuff. And now when I want to open up the Chrome, I simply click on that, and now it appears on the screen. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.